Tanga Police Commander Leonard Paul said they received information from a resident who said that there was a person named as Tabu Chabai who manufactures firearms, and that when they arrived at his residence, they found the firearms. Commander Leonard Paul called on the residents to continue collaborating with the police so as to enable it to arrest criminals. Some residents of Tanga say that they are now starting to have confidence in the force after a wave of crime incidents in Kilindi and Tanga which led to the killing of robbers.